Hello. Today, I will demonstrate the installation video of the LS400 to you. First, let's introduce the accessories. This is the front cover of the LS400. Rear cover, lock body. Battery, silicone pad. Battery cover, square strip. Then some other small accessories. Install it now. First, install the lock body. The one with the square rod hole faces up. The position with the lock hole is facing down. Put it in. Then fix it with screws. Pick up the front cover. There are 2 screw holes on this side. Then install these 2 front and rear nuts. Tighten. Put the silicone pad on. First, take this line from here. Go through this hole. Put the square bars on. One thing to note is that there's a triangle mark on this square hole. It needs to be aimed in the direction of this handle. Then, put this on. There's something sticking out to press it in. Then turn in. Same thing on the other side. Put this silicone pad on. This mark on this square rod hole. Aim in this handle direction. Put the cover on first. First, you run the string through the middle. And align this square rod with this square rod hole. Go through. Connect the lines on both sides. And the trick here is to connect this place. Thread the needle in. Connect. Tighten it. So now we're going to plug in the wire. Align the square rod holes on both sides and install it. Adjust its position. Upper screw fixing. Put the battery on. And notice there's a little notch there. To align in the direction of this interface. Put it on. Put the battery cover on. Upper screw fixing. Put this waterproof gel on it. Installation is complete. The above are all the steps of the LS400 installation video.